ready to cut this beautiful scented soap, and I have to be careful of the embeds. I might cut into some of the embeds, but that's okay. Wow. It turned out really, really nice. Definitely the honey helped out because it's beautiful, doesn't have any little crystallizing or anything. The embeds, oh wow, so beautiful. Up, I will clean up the edges right here. I'll let it dry for just maybe a day or two, and I'll just clean up all the edges. These are beautiful. Turned out really nice. So happy, and it smells. I love it. Ooh, it smells so wonderful. And these are the honeybee ones right here. And I'll trim up the edges on these. These turned out really nice. I just swirled the back of it. You saw that in the video. That's the back of it here. That's the front. And that's the little one with the sunflower. So it turned out really nice. Those beautiful swirly designs right there. And I'll just clean up these little edges right there. Thank you for joining me today. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And the next video to watch is on Lavender Orange Essential Oil Soap. And I'll put that in the next video to watch. Alright, thank you. Appreciate you visiting me, friends. And